think everything's turning toward the back now. I don't see any screws holding this in and on. Oh, I take that back. See this one right here. Woo! Nice. It's probably like top and bottom on this. Oh yeah, watch that. Look at that. Boop. It's top and bottom on that. Excellent. Now, I actually installed this high-temp fiberglass batting in here and redid the wiring many, many years ago because of the same thing. Mice got into it. Gas ovens just have so many air gaps. Like, so many. Alright, let's go ahead and pull this side from the... It's very light now. That's a plus. Woo. Oh, ow. That didn't hurt. Does anybody else say ouch when you snag your clothes on something? Just me? Oh. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Let's go for the bottom first. I gotta get both of these. This is the cord protecting bracket. But yeah, I replaced this many years ago. And I don't know when the mice got in after. I mean, was it recently in here? Or probably. Oh, have I got okay. Tools accounted for. My shoes untied. Hat. Feels like it's done. It's odd. Feels like it's off, but it's... Oh! There's one more. Shoes untied. Can't wait to get this project done and get into some clean clothes. Oh. Oh. Wait a second. There's no point of, how am I supposed to get to... Well, that's great. Right. Probably have to turn this upside down or something crazy. Forget that. We want results. We want them now. Oh, that. Right. Oh. Oh, I see. Hold on. So this... Oh, that's weird. Well, twist off, right? What is that made out of? Feels like rubber plastic or something? I don't know. Who cares? Look at that. Burrowing all through here. It's like an ant farm. Oh, we forgot to take out this switch. This one came out right. Now, this is off, and this is on. Off, on, off, on. That'll be handy for something. I don't know. I guess I could use it for an alarm to let me know when somebody opens the door or something. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I get a little respect up in here. Really can't take it much further without see, there I go. Walking a large piece of... Oh, did I forget one? Probably lucky I did. There I go, walking a large piece of furniture across the room. That guy was walking giant Stonehenge blocks across his yard. Tell you what. Some folks, you give them too much money, well, they get high and, well, you know, higher, you know what, companionship, you know what I mean? No one in particular at all. And they embezzle it and give it to their dad, and other people, they get it in their heads to recreate Stonehenge in their backyard, the old-fashioned way, without power tools. God bless the Stonehenge recreators, right? Recreators. Alright, I got access to everything. Cool. Being an electric oven, it has no insulation on the bottom because that's where the flames are. I mean, a gas oven. The flames are on the bottom because, you know. With electric ovens, of course, it's a different story. You actually have a electric ovens. It's a different story. Oh yeah, you have insulation on the bottom, probably. I don't remember the last time I took apart an electric oven if it did have insulation on the bottom, but I think it did. I hope I'm coughing just from the... It doesn't smell mousy in here, really. I hope it's not fiberglass. So here's the oven lamp fixture. Oh boy. Okay, that one might have to get cut off. If I don't want to break. This connection is still badly corroded. It's just pivoting on this one. This one should come off. Ah! Got it. Got it. Okay, it came off. Huh. So what I got left? I've got... Boop. I've got... How does this go in? Oh, yes. High temp ceramic light fixture. It's going to fall out the front. There is no light bulb in it. I mean, really, I'm almost done. But this insulation's got to get bagged up first. Only take a minute, right? Well, I need to... Yeah, I gotta take a break and get this out of the way. And this off. BRB.